Integrating Voiso with the Salesforce CRM is a multi-step process. This series of videos walks you through each of the steps to help you get up and running as fast as possible. Part 1 demonstrates how to create a connected app in Salesforce. Navigate to the Salesforce AppExchange and search for the Voiso Contact Center for Salesforce app. Double-click the Voiso app tile to install it in Salesforce. Install the app in this org. Enter the installation key provided by the Voiso support team. Then select Install for all users. Click Install. The Installed Packages view should open automatically. If it doesn't, just open it to confirm that Voiso's softphone is installed. You are now ready to connect the Voiso softphone package. Start by clicking Setup. Open the App Manager. You can find the link in the Platform Tools in the left navigation, or use Quick Find to search for it. In the Lightning Experience App Manager, click New Connected App. Enter names in the Connected App Name and API name fields, such as Voiso SaaS. Specify your email address in the Contact Email field. Scroll to the API Enable OAuth Settings section and select Enable OAuth Settings. In the Callback URL field, enter your OAuth 2 callback URL. Ask your Voiso account manager or consult the Voiso documentation for information about what to put here. In the Selected OAuth Scope section, select and add the following options. To save your settings and create a new connected app, click Save. In the Connected App, click Manage Consumer Details. From the Consumer Details section, copy the consumer key and consumer secret values and paste them into a text file or other document, as you will need them later. Go back to the Manage Connected Apps view and click Manage. In the Connected App Detail view, click Edit Policies to enable you to edit the OAuth Policies section. Make sure that All Users May Self-Authorize is selected. Click Save. Thanks for watching Part 1. In Part 2, you will learn how to set up the CRM integration settings in Voiso.